cutting down walls and clearing space to build a better life for a local disabled veteran.
You know, I didn't really think I would feel this way watching my house be tore down and rebuilt, but I feel good. I mean, I feel great.
And that's saying a lot for a man who just got out of the hospital 4 days ago.
Still have the bands on. I don't know why I haven't took these off.
Cleo Schuler has lived in this house for 30 years since it was brand new.
When I lost my legs, and that's when everything basically started, when it got hard. I couldn't do anything anymore.
And more recent health complications have made it nearly impossible for Cleo to get around his own home. So his family reached out to Habitat for Humanity for some help.
When we received the cry for help from Cleo, we realized it was a pretty heavy lift. And right now, with the current housing crisis in Sacramento, the need is just, it's pretty rough.
So they contacted other local housing nonprofits to see if they were willing to collaborate.
And said, would you be interested if we all kind of treated this like a potluck? And we each brought our resources and our expertise to the table to make the lift not so heavy for one of us, but together to make this possible. And we were just so overwhelmed with the response.
And this morning, nearly 40 volunteers from the Home Depot and Habitat for Humanity began the demolition process. When they're finished with Cleo's home, you probably won't be able to recognize it. Volunteers are installing new flooring, remodeling the kitchen and bathroom, and giving the exterior and backyard a complete makeover.
When they finish with it, it's going to be beautiful.
And not just beautiful, but functional too, so Cleo can be mobile in his own home again.
And it just make me an independent person again. And that's so important to me, just being independent.
In Del Paso Heights, Olivia DeGennaro, Fox 40 News.
And